Hello YouTube. So today I'm going to show you how to install simple screen recorder in Linux operating system. So first of all, connect to Wi-Fi. Now open terminal. I have posted these commands in description. So now you'll have to copy and paste these commands one by one. Now copy the second one, paste and enter. It will take some time to update this package, so minimize this window and open terminal again. Now copy and paste the last one. It will automatically download and install simple screen recorder. I have successfully installed. So here you can record screen as many times as you want. This method will work on Linux Ubuntu, Mint and Kali. Let me know in comment section if anything goes wrong or you have any other request. Till then, make sure to subscribe my channel and peace out.